doing Blubber Experiment. You must be wondering what blubber is. Blubber is a fat stored under few animals' skin. These are the animals that have blubber. Blubber is an extra fat stored in your skin, and that's used for like if you swim like in the cold ice, you're so cold, but when you have blubber it will not be cold. But blubber is not just used for keeping you warm. Blubber is also used for saving nutrients. So like all these animals save food because if they couldn't find any food, then they would save food so they will not be hungry. Blubber is used for animals to keep warm and to save nutrients and food. Before we begin with our experiment, let me tell you what tools you need. You can have one bowl or two bowls. You also need two Ziplocs or something to put your hand in. You will also need vegetable shortening for your blubber. So vegetable shortening it's like oil fat. We actually use this oil fat to cook food. But right now we're going to be using this to make our experiment. So let's start making the blubber. So first you will need a scoop, one scoop, and then put it in Ziploc, and you can also have an adult's help if you want. We made the blubber fat, and I also forgot one more thing you need for the experiment. You will also need cold water. Don't bring any warm or hot boiling water. You have to bring cold water and ice. So first let's pour water and then ice. The ice, and I'm also going to be touching it to see how cold it is, and right now it's very cold. So I'm going to be putting another bottle of water, and I'm also going to be putting the whole ice. I'll also be putting as animals like walruses and seals. I'm gonna put my hand, and it's actually very cold, but now let's test it with the blubber. I flattened the blubber, and now let me put my hand with the Ziploc, and I will also have to make sure that no water goes in here or it'll be filled with water. And when I put it, so I don't even feel anything, but when I put it in, it's not really that cold. But earlier when I just put it with a plain hand, it was cold. It was very cold, but right now when I put it, it's not cold. And this is how seals and walruses survive in harsh climates. So blubber is very important to them.
Alright, let's try it out. Not that cold, to be honest. Now I'm gonna just put the direct hand. So put it here. Put my direct hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I can't stand it.